Hey guys, let me show you how to make a half-cast serum. Yes, this is a promixing method, but as usual, you know that my promixings are very safe for you. They are safe and they are also effective. This serum will help clear out every form of dark spots. It will clear out under eye darkness and smoothing out your skin, giving you a very smooth, luscious looking skin. And with continuous use, you will get a significant difference in your complexion of up to 2-3 shades. But no, this will not happen in 1 week. I said continuous use. So if you like to see how I made this product, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a half-cast serum. This half-cast serum will help to clear out your dark spots and give you a glowing, even complexion. But before we start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Khalil and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare products, skincare DIYs, and if you're interested in these kinds of videos, please, you're welcome to join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, how you doing? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not following us on our other social media platforms, please click the link in the description bar that takes you to all our other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Follow us on there because we will be posting gem, or we are already posting gem videos on there to help our skincare sisters and brothers, help skincare consumers to understand their skincare products, what are in their skincare products, how to spot a good skincare product, and so many other things that we'll be posting on there. So you definitely want to join the family on there as well and get this benefit. Okay, all right, so let's jump right into the video. So as usual, the first thing you need is a beaker or a container to carry your products, and you can use any container that you want. Just make sure it is clean. And you also need a spatula, a stirring rod, or a spoon that you can use to stir your product. You can use any other thing. You don't have to use what I'm showing you on the screen, okay? And I don't know why the spoon and the spatula are fighting, but I chose the spatula. Yay, the spatula won. Oh! And you also need a measuring tool. You can use any kitchen scale that you want, that you have. Our first ingredient is our glycerin, and you all know that glycerin is a humectant, and I like to use glycerin to dissolve, or rather hydrate, my hyaluronic acid. And you guys know that hyaluronic acid helps to stretch the skin and reduce skin wrinkles and lines, and it is also proven to help wounds heal faster and can reduce the scarring of your wound. So I'm using it here for those benefits. So I like to hydrate it first with hyaluronic acid, and then next we are using water. Water is our base for this product. Water is a universal base. It is very hydrating. It is a good carrier, but make sure you are using distilled water. You don't want to use tap water for this product. Make sure you're using distilled or deionized water. Go ahead and stir that. Now you can see that it is easy to use glycerin to hydrate my hyaluronic acid, because if I had just put my hyaluronic acid directly into the water, you will have clumpiness. But you can see how beautiful everything mixes together. Next, I am using aloe vera juice, which will help to soothe the skin from sunburn, helps to moisturize the skin, helps to fight aging. The next ingredient we're using here is our porcelain water. Now, if you have gotten our porcelain water before, you already know the benefit, but for the benefit of those who don't, this is a whitening water. It will help to glow your skin, clear out dark spots, give you a beautiful fair complexion, and generally just even out your skin tone. We're also going to be using butylene glycol, which also has humectant properties. It helps to soften and moisturize the skin. And aside from drawing moisture to the skin, butylene glycol is also an emollient, meaning that it helps to soften the skin as well, maintains the texture of your skin, stabilizes your product, and also helps to treat acne symptoms. It has other benefits as well. You can look it up and get more benefits. Mix that together and go on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is alpha arbutin, which is a lightening, very strong lightening active. Alpha arbutin helps to even out the skin, brightens the skin tone, lightens dark spots and also dark areas like your under eye, and it can help with the appearance of scars as well. Alpha arbutin also has the effect of reacting with melanin. Basically, it helps to remove the dark pigment on your skin and just give you an even brighter complexion. And you can see how beautifully this dissolves into our base that we have created already. Go ahead and give that a thorough mix. Our next ingredient is vitamin B3, and vitamin B3 is also niacinamide, and it works to prevent water loss and retain skin's moisture content. It is also known to increase keratin. When it comes to aging skin, niacinamide improves the surface structure and also helps smooth out skin texture and reduce the look of wrinkles. I'm going to add that into our base as well because it is water soluble. I'm going to add that and mix everything together. The next ingredient I'm going to use is Snow White Active or Snow White Powder. Snow White powder is a natural skin lightening powder that can be added to your skincare products. Now, this product helps to give the skin a shiny effect or a lustrous effect by suppressing the occurrence of imperfections such as spots, blemishes, and improves the skin translucency, elasticity, and hydration. And it's also a water soluble active, so it dissolves beautifully in water. Now I'm going to be talking about a lot of ingredients on my Instagram page, on my Facebook, and on my TikTok. So you definitely want to go and follow us on those platforms where I will talk about different actives, their usage rates, and how they complement our skincare products and how they work. Okay, so you definitely want to click the link in the description bar to go and follow us on all our other social media platforms. Now we have come to our promixing point, and the first ingredient we are using here is our glutathione injection serum. This product is a very good product as it helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, sunspots, wrinkles, acne, and even melasma. And it helps to, also fight free radicals. So it has inflammatory and antioxidant properties in it, and it is very effective in regulating the skin. We also have our nano white serum. This serum is very, very whitening. So if you know that you don't want to whiten your skin, you know that you don't want your skin complexion to change, you better avoid this product, this whole video entirely. And yes, you can sell this product to your customers, beat your chest and tell them, go and use it, it will work for you. I'm not saying this because I want you to watch, I'm saying it because this product actually works. Mix all your ingredients so far together, make sure everything is well incorporated. After mixing, go ahead and add your preservative into your product. Now, while you're making this, make sure you check the pH of your product. Make sure that your pH is around 5.5. If it's too high, let it be not more than 6, okay? So that you don't have your Snow White powder crystallizing. Go ahead and make sure you adjust your pH if you see that it is crystallizing, because that's what happens when the pH is not on point. So after everything, go ahead and store your product in a container that will suit the product. I would prefer you store it in a glass dropper bottle. That way the integrity of your ingredients are safe. And yeah, this is what you will get, a beautiful clear looking product. And this product can last on your shelf for up to 12 months. So you can make this product and use it or put it on your shelf for up to 12 months. The pH should not be more than 6, okay? The best pH range for this product is 6, all right? Go ahead and, label your product, call it whatever you want to call it. I'm just calling it a half cast serum and promixing, so I know what exactly this product is, because I have a lot of tiny bottles like this in my lab, and I have to label them this way so I know exactly what this product is. Of course, I'll go ahead later to label it properly and put the date of production and all of that, so I know what exactly I have. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if it was beneficial to you, and make sure you share it to your family and friends. If you'd like to join any of our classes or get our ebook, please use the link in the description bar to reach us. You can get any of our trainings, courses. You can get our ebook if you're a starter, and you can also get our skincare products. All you have to do is use our website link in the description bar, or you can send us a message on WhatsApp or on our other social media platforms, and we will try as much as possible to respond to you on time. Also, if you would like to bulk buy or rebrand, we also offer those services. So all you need to do is just reach out to us and we'll give you all the details that you want. Thank you again so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.